Hey there, welcome to EchoWild Rescues. This is where cutting-edge technology and compassionate hearts unite to protect and save Earth's most vulnerable wildlife species. We're pioneering the use of AI technology to document inspiring rescue missions, share breathtaking wildlife photography, and highlight groundbreaking conservation initiatives that are making a real difference in nature protection. From the mysterious depths of our vast oceans to the lush canopies of ancient forests, every animal rescue story we share represents a beacon of hope, innovative thinking, and the profound connection between humans and the natural world. Step into a space where saving lives transcends being just an objective. It's become an unstoppable force for positive change, inspiring communities worldwide to take action. Click subscribe and activate those notifications to join our weekly wildlife adventures. We're dedicated to delivering content that sparks inspiration, facilitates learning, and provides actionable steps for wildlife conservation. Begin this transformative journey with us today. Every interaction, share, and engagement amplifies our collective voice for change. Together, we're building a community of passionate wildlife advocates who understand that protecting our planet's biodiversity isn't just about saving animals, it's about preserving the intricate web of life that sustains us all. Welcome to EchoWild Rescues, where innovation and compassion come together to protect and save our planet's most vulnerable creatures. Through the power of AI technology, we bring you extraordinary rescue stories, breathtaking wildlife visuals, and cutting-edge conservation efforts. From the depths of the ocean to the heart of the forest, every rescue is a testament to hope, innovation, and humanity's connection to nature. Dive into a world where saving lives isn't just a mission, it's a movement. Subscribe now and ring the bell to join our mission of weekly updates filled with inspiration, education, and action. Together, we can make a difference and echo hope for wildlife across the globe. Start your journey with us today, because every click helps amplify the call for change.